Hi, my name is Kelly, and on behalf of Junior Achievement of South Dakota, I want to thank you for being a JA Classroom volunteer. I'm going to walk you through JAR Families Session 1. For this session, you will need your guidebook, key term flashcards, JAR Family picture books, table tents, the magnets, stickers for their workbooks, their junior journals, and the JAR neighborhood poster. First thing you want to do is open up your guidebook, and you are going to see that it is filled with your lessons for all 5 of your sessions that you are going to complete for JAR families. As you look through the guidebook, you're going to see that there are several areas for you to write things down, talking points for you, and it's going to show you how much time each activity should take. Feel free to write in your guidebook. These are yours to make sure that they are a great asset while you are teaching your first grade classroom. As you go into the classroom today, you're going to be talking about, over the next 5 sessions, JAR families. So the students are going to be working together and discussing things that they do at home that help with their families. When you go into the first session, make sure you introduce yourself. Tell them who you are, a little bit about yourself, where you work, and why you chose to be a JA volunteer. As you continue going through, you're going to point out the poster that's behind me. Talk about the poster and the things that everyone in that community is doing to help their neighbors. There are several things that can be pointed out in the poster. You're going to see that they're helping carry groceries, they're taking out the trash. These are common things that they're going to be doing in their own homes, which is a great way for them to relate to the curriculum. As you begin talking about the poster with the classroom and asking them what they see the people doing, make sure you call in a variety of students. If several students want to answer, sometimes it is nice to say, I'm going to take 3 students' responses. That way they know after 3 you're done and you're going to move on to the next question. As you're going throughout the lesson, there are key term flashcards that you're going to want to use. These are helpful because they show a photo on the side that the students are going to see. So when you hold up the word family, they can see a picture of it as well. You're going to give the definition of a family. Now, families can mean several different things for different families. So be sure to have a loose term of what a family is, because it's going to look different for lots of different students as they talk about their family dynamics. As you go through the curriculum and you're talking about the neighborhood and businesses, you're going to start talking about things that they need in their neighborhood. So as they're going through defining the key term flashcard neighborhood, they're going to start to recognize businesses. Ask them about places that they go and shop, places that they buy food at, things that they're going to go and do with their family. You'll often hear things like the grocery store, or they're going to another store to buy clothes, common places where they visit almost weekly. Your activity for today is you're going to give every single student one of the family workbooks, picture workbooks. So when you open this up, it's a storybook. They're going to have a chance to write their name in here and draw a picture of themselves. As you go through the workbook with the students, you're going to read the workbook, and then all the students will also have a sticker sheet. They will take the correlating sticker and put that in the gray box of their workbook. Then on the bottom, it gives them a chance to fill out their own personal story. So they would write, hello, my name is, and fill in their own blank. This gives them a chance to start working on their own book for their families and something for them to show their families when they take it home after JA is complete. Once you're done going through the lesson and talking about all the different things that people do to help in their neighborhood, at the very end, they're going to have a chance to draw a picture. On this picture, they're supposed to draw it on the sticker. This sticker is shiny and markers can rub off on it. It might be easier just to have the students draw on the sheet of paper versus on the sticker. That way they can fill the whole page and they're not confined to just the tiny little sticker. That's one great tip to use when you're in the classroom, just so they don't have marker all over their hands after drawing on this shiny sticker. After you go through your workbook and talk about all the things that people are going to do in their neighborhood, you're going to start your summary wrap-up. So you're going to tell the students how proud of them you are for working together and doing their picture book and doing such a great job. This is going to allow them to complete their picture book, take it home, and be proud of it. We want them to take it home and show their families what they're doing for junior achievement. At the end, if you have extra time, you can pull out your junior journals. So these junior journals, you do not want to send home with them right away. You're going to use these throughout all 5 of your sessions. So if time allows, you can take out your junior journal, have them write their names on the cover, and then go ahead and flip to page 2. You can do that activity with them, and again, that's if you just have extra time. If time doesn't allow, don't worry, and that's an activity that they can take home and do with their families. Once you're done, you're going to want to wrap up the session, do a reminder of what it is that you learned about today, talking about all the different things they can do with their families and how they can help in the neighborhood, and then remind the students that you're going to be back again. Tell them when you're coming and let them know you're going to continue talking about ways that they can help their families. Enjoy session 1. We'll see you in session 2.